Hey everyone, welcome to Turner Truck and Tractor. I hope you're doing good. I'm Les, and today we are going to get this 67 Chevrolet C10 spruced up and looking good. I've got some sweet patina sauce. Let you take a look right there, and I have never used it before, so I'm going to try it out today. I'm not sponsored by it, so if you buy 1 can or 100 cans or 1,000 cans, I get the same thing, 0. So I've seen good results on YouTube and in other places, so I thought I'd give it a try myself. So all this jibber jabber doesn't get it done. Let's quit standing around and get to work. Directions. Use appropriate personal protective equipment. Check. Wash vehicle. Check. Make sure vehicle is dry. Done. Apply sauce. To clean, microfiber towel and wipe on vehicle surface until desired luster. Allow cure time of 15 to 20 minutes, maybe. Use new clean microfiber towel to wipe off sauce to achieve desired finish. Soak towel or rag and bucket of water before disposing. Reply as needed to maintain luster. I think we got it. All right, thanks for following along. We're at the halfway mark, and I thought I'd show you how the sweet patina looks on half the truck. So far so good. It's almost like a linseed oil. It's a little bit thicker than, let's say, WD-40, but it's lighter than the motor oil. It smells okay. It works all right. You know, it recommends, wear personal protection like a glove. I can see why, because it probably has petroleum distillates in it, and you don't want to have that contacted on your skin all the time. But it's not caustic. It's not harsh or rough or anything like that. So far so good. So I'm going to let you listen to some music and finish this out. All right, thanks for following along. We got the other half done, and I think it turned out all right. On sweet patina, we used about 1/4 of the bottle. So I'll give you a walk around. I will say on the hood and on the roof where it was really oxidized and rusted, it was really hard to do. It did want to create a bunch of lint with the rag, and I did go over it with the red rag afterwards and knock down some of the high points, and it take some of the gloss out of it and give it a little bit more of a matte finish. But all in all, I am pleased with the results, and we'll see how long it lasts. And if you're interested in small towns and more C10 pickups than what you can give thanks over, stay tuned. So like and subscribe. That looks so good, and it's going to be a shame that it's going to go down a dusty gravel road. But we'll drive slow, and I will see you next time. Everyone, take care and stay blessed. Thank you.